Hey guys, welcome back. So on this video, we're going to go over a real quick tip how to install Zoom on Ubuntu. Uh, the reason I'm making this video is because I know a lot of people that are trying to use Linux for their primary OS, for a work OS. So I think what we're going to eventually do here is we're going to make a larger video on how to use Ubuntu as your desktop OS. Especially if you're in a Windows world, there are ways to do it. I do it. I've been doing it now for about 5 years. I'm a Microsoft certified engineer by trade, and I've been using Linux as my primary desktop OS for about 5 years. Really started using it once Windows 7 was killed off and Windows 10 became the primary. That said, there is ways to function and use it. I have another video already on here about how to use Teams. Feel free to check that one out. That will give you how to run Teams, how to install Teams on a Ubuntu system. In this video, though, let's go over how to do Zoom. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to have to go to the Zoom website. Specifically, we're going to go to zoom.us/download. I'll put the actual link here inside of the description of the video. Once you're in here in the download area, you're going to choose your Linux type. Whether you're running Ubuntu, Mint, Debian, or one of the other flavors. I'm running Ubuntu. This is a 64-bit system, so it hit the download to download the version of Zoom, which you can find right here. So I'm going to show this in the folder. We're going to right-click on this, and the first thing we're going to do is go to Properties, and we're going to go to Permissions, and we're going to allow the executing of this program. And then hit the X. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to right-click on this. We're going to do Open with Other Application, Software Install, and click Select. This is going to load the software installer built into Ubuntu. Once this thing hits the application details, we can actually go up here and we can hit install. When prompted, put your password in. And this is going to install Zoom. Once this finishes installing, you're going to want to open up the terminal and you're going to want to do the update to update the rest of the configuration. Obviously, this will do it like the installation for the actual cloud meeting. So here we go. It's installed. We can uninstall it, show more, blah, blah, blah. Doesn't make any difference for the sake of what this is. I'm going to close this out. We can close this out. We're going to open up a terminal. We're going to do sudo apt-get update. Put your password in. Okay, we've updated. At this point now, your Zoom is installed, set, it's ready to go. You should be able to join your Zoom calls with your Ubuntu system. If you guys have any questions, any problems, drop me a line. I'll put the description on the installation details in the description, the link to where to download the software, and the command to uninstall it if you run into an issue and you want to roll it back. I'll put that in there as well. Again, like and subscribe. Hopefully this helps, and have a good day.